Hi friends! Today, we're diving into the basics of meditation. Whether you're a student stressed by exams, a professional facing daily challenges, or someone seeking more balance in life, meditation is a powerful tool that can help you manage stress, improve focus, and cultivate a sense of calm. Friends, meditation is not about clearing your mind or forcing yourself to think of nothing. It's about becoming aware of the present moment, observing your thoughts without judgment, and allowing your mind to settle naturally. So what exactly is meditation? In simple terms, meditation is a practice where you train your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's an ancient practice with roots in many cultures and traditions, but at its core, it's about mindfulness, being fully present in the moment. Meditation helps you tune into your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings, which can ultimately lead to reduced stress, increased concentration, and even improved emotional health. Benefits of meditation. Research shows that meditation has countless benefits for both the mind and body. Here are just a few ways it can transform your life. Reduced stress. Meditation helps lower cortisol levels, which are responsible for stress. Improved focus and concentration. With regular practice, your ability to stay focused on tasks improves. Better sleep. Meditation can help you relax before bed, improving the quality of your sleep. Emotional well-being. It promotes feelings of peace, patience, and self-awareness. How to start meditating? All right, let's get practical. Here's a simple meditation you can do anywhere, anytime. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably on a chair, cushion, or the floor. Keep your back straight and your hands resting on your knees or lap. Close your eyes. Gently. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to your breathing. Notice the air as it enters your nose, fills your lungs, and then leaves your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath. Observe without judgment. Thoughts will come and go. Your job isn't to stop them, but to observe them. Imagine them like clouds passing by in the sky. Acknowledge them, then let them float away. Start with 5 minutes. If you're new to meditation, start small. Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. As you get comfortable, gradually increase the time. That's it. A simple, effective meditation you can practice daily. Remember, the key is consistency. Just a few minutes each day can bring profound changes to your overall well-being. Tips for a successful meditation practice. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to help you build a successful meditation practice. Be patient with yourself. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Don't worry if your mind feels busy at first. Create a routine. Try to meditate at the same time every day, whether it's in the morning, during a break, or before bed. Use guided meditations. If you're struggling to meditate on your own, guided meditations can be a great resource to help you stay focused. Find what works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all. Experiment with different types of meditation, such as mindfulness, loving-kindness, or body scan meditations. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. As you continue to practice, you'll find yourself more grounded, centered, and ready to take on life with a new sense of clarity and purpose. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on self-development and mindfulness. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Nurture it. Until next time, stay calm and stay mindful.